Welcome crypto market community. Today we have some exciting updates in the world of crypto that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right in. Crypto market data provider Kaiko has shared some good news for XRP traders. The top crypto asset has restored its market depth on the Gemini crypto exchange, which is great news for traders who have been waiting for this moment. Gemini announced the listing of XRP in the past week, joining the growing number of exchanges that have reintroduced XRP to their platforms. Shortly after the listing, XRP briefly rose to $50 on the Gemini cryptocurrency platform, sending the token's market valuation over the roof. However, after briefly reaching those levels, prices rapidly returned to parity with the spot markets on other exchanges. Kaiko throws more light on the event in a note to it, stating that XRP's 1% market depth on Gemini saw a brief dip as market makers pulled back after the rapid spike to $50. While this might seem concerning, there is no more cause for alarm as this has now been restored. In other news, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission may be moving closer to giving the green light for a spot cryptocurrency exchange-traded fund after several years of applications. BlackRock added its application to the bundle of Bitcoin ETF filings, currently being reviewed by the SEC, creating renewed interest among investors in and out of the crypto space. Hedera hash graph has exploded following the announcement that FedNow will be integrating Hedera via the Drop decentralized app. The FedNow integration is particularly significant as it marks the first formal connection between Hedera and the Federal Reserve. The platform's intention to list LPX on major cryptocurrency exchanges is expected to drive significant demand for the token. If you want to know more about these exciting updates, watch the full video until the end and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. We promise to keep bringing you the latest and most exciting news in the world of cryptocurrency. Stay tuned.